In this video, I'm going to show you how to create poll on YouTube. Polls are basically designed to gather opinions of people regarding a particular subject matter, and it's pretty simple and easy. On your YouTube homepage, navigate to the button where you see the plus icon and tap on it. Then you have the option to upload a video, go live, or create a post. In this case, we are going to tap on create posts. So on this interface, we can enter our post here, but since we are interested in creating a poll, we have to navigate to tap on this poll icon. So this gives us an option to enter an image or text-based poll. In this case, we are going to create a text-based poll. So we'll continue to tap on the question that we want to add to our poll. In this case, I'm going to type Android or iPhone. Then the first option, I'll enter iPhone. Then the second option, I'll enter Android. Then once I'm done, I have the ability to add additional options, or otherwise I can proceed to create this poll by tapping on this post icon here. There we have post created, so we can proceed to click on view. So this has landed me on my community tab. So when I scroll down, I can see the poll that I have posted here, Android or iPhone. So anytime anyone sees it on YouTube and proceeded to vote, I will be able to see the vote on this community tab here. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.